ETMC Tyler has been here since 1951. It was a small rural hospital. From that, we've expanded to a 9-hospital system with 39 clinics across the Northeast Texas region. Our mission is to provide a total safe environment for everyone within our buildings and on our property. Avigilon was chosen for this project because a scalable solution is something that is very cost effective. It saves bandwidth. Avigilon solutions made my job a lot easier because I've seen that in the industry where people will pick and choose pieces of security solutions and then the integration doesn't work correctly. We use a total Avigilon solution. That'll be the cameras, and the Avigilon servers, and the software. The analytic cameras allow us to trace individuals going through the facility. When an individual enters a high-threat area, as they go through the hospital in the corridors, we'll be able to search for that one individual and how they go through our facility. We chose the fisheye camera so we can reduce the overall amount of cameras that we have that can cover the same area. The other cameras that we use are the bullet cameras, the dome cameras, and we do have one 30-megapixel camera that we use on our exterior roof that has a very long view that we can see distant parking lots. The easiest thing about a Avigilon system is the ease of use. The end user, there's not a lot of specialized training or anything like that. They can simply click on it and show them within 2 minutes how the system works, and they're familiar with it.